This source file has some sales data. There are 5 sheets: sales, product subcategories, products, product categories, and dates. So we have a separate date sheet. In this sheet we have date key, full date label, date description, calendar year label. So we have put all the date items and all the formats which we want our dates. So uh, dates, product categories, products, product subcategories, and sales. So this is our source file. Now we will close this. So again, we'll use get data, Excel. We will establish the connection first. Open. So again, on the navigator screen we have 5 sheets of date, product categories, product subcategories, the same sheets which you have just seen in the Excel file. And this is like without the blue header: dates, product categories, products, product subcategories. So we can select either of them. Like we can select these 5 with the blue header or the last 5. So but we will select the one with the blue header: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The blue header is appearing because the data is in tabular format. Click transform data. Processing queries. So the file is huge, so that's why it's taking some time. Now the connection is established. So there are 5 queries, 5 sheets, 5 tables. First of all, we will rename them. Date 5 will be changed to dates. Product categories 4, it will be renamed as only product categories. Products 3, it will be renamed as products. Product subcategories, it will be renamed as products subcategories only. And sales 1, it will be renamed as sales. Okay, so we are in Power Query. We will just do some data formatting and cleaning of data. So we will check. We'll start with dates query, dates key. The date type is date and time, so we will change it to date only. Replace current. Full data label. Okay, since we already have date key, so we can remove this. Remove. Again, date description, I already have date key, so remove. Calendar year, since we have date key, so no need for calendar year, but still I will keep this. Calendar year label is repetition, I will remove. Calendar half year, remove. So I'm doing the cleansing of data. Calendar half year label, remove. Calendar quarter, so I put all the columns for my ease, but like now I'm doing cleansing because I don't need that much columns. Calendar quarter label, fine. Calendar month, I will remove. Calendar month label, I will remove. Calendar week, I will remove. Remove. Calendar week label, okay, I will keep this. Fine. It's text. It's text. It's roll number. It's date. Product categories, products subcategories, sales is fine. All right, now we will go in Power BI. It's applying the changes. Now we are in Power BI. So this first icon we discussed last time is report. This one is data, and this one, this is the model icon. In this model icon we will create relationships. Okay, so if we will minimize this. So if you will have a look on this on the screen, we have separate sheets. Like this is the date sheet, this is the product category sheet, which we have seen in our source file, product subcategories, products. So there's already some relationships established. So first of all, we will delete them. Okay, we will go in manage relationships. We will delete all. Delete, 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 close. So the relationships are deleted. Now we'll create our own relations. So here I will give you a brief background. All the sheets here are representing some data items within each sheet or table. This sales sheet or table, this is the fact table, and the other ones are dimension tables. So we will establish relationship first. Product categories, product subcategories, products. So the column which is common in any of the table or sheet, we will use that column and we will create the relation. So if we will look into product categories, product category key, category key here in this product categories table is also available or like is present in this product subcategories. So we can create the relation here, product category with product category. So the relationship is established between product categories table and product subcategories. If we look into this is one to many. Okay. Here product key is here and product key is here as well. So I will just put product key from products, drag and drop in sales table over product. So the relation is established again. Okay. Again, we will find any other common column here. No. Okay. So product subcategory key in this product table is also available in product subcategories table. So product subcategory with product subcategory. So again, the relationship established. So I will give you a briefly, some details about the reason we are establishing this. With the help of these relationships, we can filter our data. Like for example, within the sales table, I can filter product information because there is already a relationship. Similarly, within the product table, I can filter product subcategories, and within the product categories table, this one, I can filter product category of product subcategories table. So that's the reason we are establishing the relationship. And also when we are using time intelligence features and when we will be using the DAX measures, then we will also find it very helpful if we have already established the relationships. Okay, so the date key is here, and we can have the relationship between date key of dates table and date key of sales table. So date key here. Fine. So this is one relationship, this is 2. Okay, this is 3, and that's fine. And this like between sales table and products table, and the product key is common between the two tables, so we had the relationship here as well. Okay, fine. Now we will go in data. So to get more benefits of this time intelligence features, we should mark the date key, like the column in which date is present. We will mark it as, we go in table tools, we'll select date key, and we will mark as date table. Okay, so I will tell you later the benefits. Mark as date key. Okay. So after marking as date key, if I look into here, this sign will appear. It means that the date column is marked as date key because it will be helpful while using time intelligence features. Okay, now we will go again to the report interface. So now the next step is to create measures, but first of all we will have some visuals. Like I will click here, table, and I will click on brand name. So brand name is here. Okay. So I will create some measures. First of all, I will create total sales. Total is equal to, so the formula is sum bracket, then I can find total sales in sales table. If I write sale, then this is the sales amount. This is the first measure. Okay. Now I will create another measure of total cost. Total cost is equal to sum. Again, total cost is in the sales table, and this is total cost. Total cost. Okay. Now I'll create another measure, new measure, gross margin. Gross margin is equal to, so we already established total sales measure, which is here, total sales. So I will click just total sales space left space subtract total cost is there. Okay. So I got total, I got gross margin. Now last one is GP percentage. GP percent is equal to divide gross margin, comma, total sales, comma, 0. So we got GP percentage as well. So here are all the measures: total sales, total cost, gross margin, GP percent. So I will create another table so that I will put all the measures in that table. In data, I will give the name of my measures. Okay, load. And now I will transfer all my measures in that table. Total sales, I will click. Reading total sales, I will click. Now I will give the location of my measures. Total cost, I will click. I will give the location of my measures. Gone. I will click on gross margin. I will give the location of my measures. Gone. GP percentage, 5 measures. Gone. So if I will minimize it and then I will open, then my measures are here. All the measures are here. So this first column one is like, useless. I will delete because there is no use of this column one. Again, minimize, open. So my measures is the first table, then dates, product categories, products, subcategories, sales. This is the brand name here. So if I want to check brand by sales, I will just drop here to sales here, total cost here. Sorry. Total cost here, gross margin here, GP percentage here. I will just change the formatting. I will again click on total sales, dollar, comma, 0, then total cost, then dollar, comma again, fine. Then gross margin, dollar, over, again dollar, okay. Now GP is percent. Okay, so I have the brand names, total sales, total cost, gross margin, gross GP percentage here. So if I want to use time intelligence feature, so I will create the some date tables as well. So I will click here on the filter, not here, filter. I will put here. I will click on date. I want to use calendar year. So it's showing me all the years. List time, list. It's showing me all the years. Okay. I will just formatting general. I don't want it just vertical. I want it horizontal. Okay, all the years are here. So if I click here, 7, 8, 9, data is not. But if I click on 25, that is not here. So what I will do, I will go in Power Query. I will filter only on 7, 8, and 9. So here, the calendar here, I will click and I will load more. I will click on 7, 8, and 9. Close and apply. Now it will take some time. So we only have 7, 8, and 9 here. Okay. Now I want quarter wise as well. So again I will click on filter, slicer. Sorry. Okay, again I will click here on calendar quarter, list. Formatting, I want it again horizontal, Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. Fine. So if I want to play with the data, this is Q1 7 2007, this is Q2 2007, this is Q3 2007, this is Q4. So if you want to present some report to the management and like the data is live updating, so we can just present this Power BI report in front of the management and like we can show some numbers like Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Okay, I can also change some colors as well. So like I will click on this slicer. I will go here. I will go in items. The font color is black. Fine. The background is white. I can change it to this. Okay. And I can also like increase text size 13. Okay. So 7, 8, 9. I can change the color of this one as well. Items, background, I will make it. Text size, I will make it 13. Okay. I will make it a bit lighter as well. Like it's quite dark. So again, I will go in general. Sorry. I will go in item. I will make a bit light. So is this on 7 quarter 1? This is 7 quarter 3, 7 quarter 2, 7 quarter 4. All right. So I will create one more visual. I will more appealing to the eyes. Okay, now I will create brand wise sales. So I will click on products. Here I will click on brand. Okay, and I will click here on total sales, and this is the visual I need now. This is total sales by brand name. This is the one visual. Okay, again, if I like click on 2007, this is Q1 information, this is Q2, this is Q3, this is Q4. So the data is also moving. The data has become dynamic. Okay, now I want total sales, total cost analysis. So now I will click on, okay, I want this like this. Okay, so total sales, total cost. Okay, and I want it like this. Total sales and total cost. I want the analysis. Use this. Control C, Control V. Here. Note one brand. So this is the analysis I want. Total sales, total cost, like this. And if I click on brand as well, then it's more dynamic. Yeah. Total sales and total cost by brand name. So this is the second visual. It's showing us like total sales and total costs by brand name. So like which brand has which cost. Like total sales is like for Fabricam $3 million, total cost is $1.2 million. Okay, so the last visual we can prepare of GP margin, again brand wise. So we can have this. So now we can play with the data for 2007. This Q1 information, this is Q2 information, Q3 information, Q4 information. For 2008, this is Q1 information, Q2 information, Q3 information, Q4 information. So just by having the relationships, data modeling, and like the time intelligence features, we can have a small dashboard which we can present in front of our management. In the next video, I am going to discuss some prior data as well, like how can we show the prior data if you want to analyze using the time intelligence features. Thank you.